Well, last night I actually tried sleeping in the bathroom. It was 20 degrees outside, and I said, fuck that. Well, as I was ready, I went in there at 1:15, the doors lock up at 1:20, and I'm in there, and I hear the motion sensor go off, as if somebody else was in this lobby here. Then I heard a door open and close, which means, yeah, somebody was trying to stay in here. And then the motion sensor kept beeping. Every 10 minutes it would go off again. I wasn't sure if it was because I was in the bathroom, so I stayed in there longer. And sure enough, the motion sensor kept going off. I said, you know what, screw it, I don't care, I'm staying in here. Then the alarm went off, and I had to get the fuck out. And I have a feeling tonight is going to be a bad night to sleep outside. Can you see that shit? We got a snowstorm. We're expecting 12 inches between tonight and tomorrow. Tonight's Saturday. Tomorrow's Sunday. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun tonight. We already got a couple inches on the ground. At least it's not too cold out right now. I'm out here in just a hoodie at the moment. It's a little chilly, so I might not freeze all night, but I might. And it's not supposed to stop snowing until Sunday night, at least. Shit. Well, shit. A half hour has gone by since the last clip, and a Metro cop just came through here. There was other people in here, it wasn't just me, and he asked where they were going. And well, they told him Wisconsin. And he asked where I was going. And I said, I'm just staying warm. He's like, well, go ahead and stay warm, but you gotta head out soon. Really? Do you expect me to leave? No. Town police said I could stay here until they close. Until that clock says 1:15. Who am I gonna listen to? The Metro police or the police that actually run this town? The police that run this town. That Metro can kiss my ass. I don't understand why Metro police think they can run this shit. Yeah, it's a Metro train station, but they're not, no, they can't tell me what to do. Well, I mean, they have. In the other video, I actually left when they told me to. But nuh-uh, I ain't leaving tonight. Y'all saw it outside. It's still snowing like that. I'm staying right here. Besides, if these donuts and my coffee go outside, they're gonna get rock hard. And I can't eat them with barely any teeth in my mouth. Yeah, I got them free. The Dunkin' Donuts here, they hook me up every day. No wonder I'm not losing weight. I keep eating donuts. So it's like I get that one meal of ramen noodles every night, but then I munch on donuts after that. Technically still the same meal. But yeah, I can't eat them outside. Nope. Well, it's that time. I gotta go outside in the snow. Fuck. Alright. Of course. Snow all on my shit. They're shoveling. Awesome. Of course, there's a oh, he just crossed it anyway. nut motherfucker. I should have done the same shit. Damn. Oh, the gust of snow. Awesome. Oh, right in my face. Shit, that train was annoying. Oh, I finally made it across the tracks though, and I'm in my living room for the night. This is ridiculous. Look at this shit. That's crazy. It's blowing that direction, so it's blowing in my face as I speak to you. Here, I'll turn around. Much better. Man, it's not as cold, it's like 28 degrees. Yesterday, most of the day today, it was like 22. Follow that shit. Yeah. We're expected to get like 12 inch, or yeah, about 12 inches. These shovelers and plow dudes are telling me that, yeah, they're going to be at this all night, most of the day tomorrow, because we getting hit. This is going to be fun. What a fucking idiot. That's a bar right across the street called Grandpa's. Can you hear him talking? Dude just stepped out saying, "Oh, it's snowing." Seriously, dude? How long have you been there? It's been snowing all fucking day. Like, it's like 1:30 a.m., almost 1:45, and these motherfuckers are still here. Oh yeah, it's Saturday. Looks like I'm not gonna karaoke right now. What am I gonna do now? My laptop's only at like 46%, which means I won't be able to watch a whole show or a movie, so I can't do that right now. Yeah, this is boring. Snowy day, taking my fun away. Okay, actually it's them taking my fun away. If they were to leave, bar empty out now. No, not another train. Oh shit. Oh shit. Whoa, that's a big snow cloud. That looks badass though. That looks awesome. That was a mistake. That was cool. At least I got the heaters on. Well, that was interesting. Yeah, that was quite cold. They need to now plow my walkway here. They probably will in like 2 hours, like they did last time. Yep. At least they plowing the bar parking lot, huh? That's always a good thing. So now them drunks don't have to slide to their car. Yep. Will they go home already? I want a karaoke. Yeah, this might be another boring ass video because I'm bored. So I'm just letting you see what I see. And it's not a star, a star. I know. Holy shit. That shit's pretty deep. Can you see that? Look at that. In comparison to my hand. Hoi! Oh! Oh! That's cold. That's pretty deep. I don't know if y'all could see that shit. Yeah. Let's try a finger. Oh, wait. Let's see if you can see better. Oh, okay. No, there's probably not enough light. But second knuckle deep on me. But the wind's been blowing. Forgot I had a sweatshirt, which is now coated in snow. Oh man, how's that gonna dry? I can't believe I did that. Get all the snow out of that shit. Because I got to put it back in there. The next hotel room I get, though, it's getting washed. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look, I got lucky. Somebody didn't care. They picked away their cigarette. So I found it right there. Somebody reached out and flicked it away. I'm glad that I found it. Oh, yay, yay, yay. I'm retarded. But I found me a cigarette. Awesome shit. I found you. And you wanna get smoked too. Oh, yes, you do. Okay, it is 2:48 a.m. and it's still snowing and snowing and snowing. If I just had a shovel, I'd be able to make money. You know what? Tomorrow I know what I'm doing. I want to go asking people if they need their shit shoveled. And if they say yes, I'll be like, well, do you have a shovel? Because I'll do it. Maybe they'll have a snowblower in this town. Maybe I can make some money. It's almost 4:20 and it's still snowing. Man. All night long. Like, they're constantly plowing and shoveling the same areas. Like, it's ridiculous. And I'm still cold. But I got about another 40 minutes before I go in. At least according to the clock tower right there. Oh, is that them plowing? Yeah, it's cold. I'm finna stand by the heat. Yeah, heater, nice and warm. Hey, it's finally open, guys. They were waiting in the living room to go in too. The guys that are shoveling all night, and it's just covering over again. Like, see, they already shoveled all this. I saw them do it. Yes, it is open. Oh, I don't remember this being here when I left. Bottled water, orange, and cookies. Huh. Thank you for the cookies. I think it was them guys who plow. Yeah. My bed. The bench by the bathroom. Take my bag off. Yeah, hold on. Oh, so I can't believe I did that. I came inside and, I put my bag down, I finished recording. And as I put the camera down, I was like, okay, I'm about to get ready to go to bed. And I was going to tell you all that shit. And then the people who were plowing and shoveling came in. Well, whatever. I picked up the camera to put it away, and I didn't realize it was recording for 11 minutes. For 11 minutes, this is all you saw. Or, well, that's all that was recorded. But it was cool, because them guys who were plowing, 2 of them and shit, they gave me $5. Like, badass. And it's cool and shit. It took me out by surprise. But I got it all on video. Basically audio, looking up at the ceiling. That's badass. I'm going to put that at the end of my video if y'all want to hear it. It'll be a couple minutes. I'm going to clip it down. I won't put the whole 11 minutes there. But I think I'm ready for bed. You see the time? I'm ready to get some sleep. So you can either hit that like and share button now and then end the video, because the rest is going to be just that audio. Peace.